As a leader in design, innovation, and value, MirroCraft Boats continues to research new methods and materials to ensure the finest finished product. MirroCraft boats are manufactured at the Northport Marine World Headquarters, 37 miles northwest of Green Bay, Wisconsin, in the small town of Gillett. Not only does MirroCraft go the extra step to test these components, but attention to detail adds up to increased comfort, pride in ownership, safety, and retained value. This allows MirroCraft to offer the latest and most advanced construction features of any boat builder around. Let's take a tour of how MirroCraft boats are made. Only select high-quality stock marine grade 5052 alloy aluminum is allowed to be cut, stamped, and bent into a MirroCraft boat. Using cutting-edge fabrication technology allows for improved efficiency during the manufacturing process, as well as on the water. A precision CNC plasma cutter cuts the exact parts. The sides and bottoms are bent and screwed together to hold them in place, while the seam is double riveted by hand with a triggerman up top and the anchor under the boat. Now that the boat is watertight, it's manually placed into the MirroCraft indoor testing bath. Yes, it's complete with rubber duckies. That giant hydraulic arm presses the boat down with way more pressure than under normal conditions, and those riveted seams are checked for leaks. And this is to ensure that the hull can withstand pounding waves while traveling at high speeds or in rough waters. The hull's paintable areas are then sanded and washed, dried, and spray painted with MirroCraft's iconic gray, and then cured. The custom top coat colored paint will be applied in an upcoming step. A double-skinned hull is standard on all 17, 18, and 19-foot models, with the industry-leading 10-inch rib spacing. Composite transoms are a standard feature on all MirroCraft boats. It makes the hull incredibly strong and rigid. MirroCraft's standard vinyl flooring is applied to high-quality marine-treated plywood decking that sits atop strong aluminum stringers that are supported by cross ribs. The fuel tank, seamless live well rigging, and electrical harness are carefully measured and installed, as well as plumbing and stowage. Injected foam fills all necessary pockets, adds flotation, adds rigidity, and deadens sound, contributing to the MirroCraft famous quiet ride. Master builders complete the majority of the boat by laying the floor and carpeting, storage doors, and even drill for cup holders and cleats. And hidden floor fasteners create a clean, seamless cockpit. MirroCraft sprays, molds, dries, and fabricates all of its own molded fiberglass consoles. Fiberglass is stronger than any plastic console used by competitive manufacturers, and each console is fade-resistant in the sun. Other features include stainless gauge bezels with a kind of a brushed pewter look, accented gauge panels, ergonomic switches, lighted gauges, and a comfortable steering wheel. Everything in the helm, from the gauges to the horn to the radio, Bluetooth stereo, and speakers, are inspected and tested for durability and reliability. The MirroTrack gunnel rail system is standard on select models. Roto-molded upholstered fishing seats have sculpted side bolsters and plenty of support for hours of comfort on the water. Once the construction and wiring of a MirroCraft boat has been completed, the boat's taken to the finishing room, where the finest details are inspected. Motors are rigged, and the famed MirroCraft logo and the decals are installed. Exact reference points are measured. With a few quick swipes, the boat is a work of art. Using current technology and innovation with precision, including the use of computer processes, eliminates waste and saves production costs, and that savings gets passed on to you. Bimini tops and custom travel covers are available on all MirroCraft models. The MirroCraft boats are wrapped and carefully trailered for transport. MirroCraft provides a limited lifetime hull warranty, assuring many years of enjoyment on the water. With a commitment to building the finest boats possible, MirroCraft boats are designed with both performance and style in mind.